Hey everyone, I'm Sarah, and tell me one thing, have you ever looked at someone and thought, wow, they look like they could ruin your life but in a really cool way? Well, that's the femme fatale effect, and today we are doing just that, but with makeup, of course, minus the actual life ruining part. So let's go. Primer is our bestie. It smooths out the skin,
Smooth like butter.
fills any pores, and makes sure the makeup stay put. Now for the brows. Brows frame the face, and I want them sharp, sharp enough to cut anyone's ego.
Okay.
Fill them in lightly with a light grey shade and brush them out for that effortlessly but dangerously vibe. Now, dark circles, blemishes, we don't know her. A little peach or orange corrector according to your skin type. Place it anywhere you have dark spot or pigmentation and lightly blend them. Time to even things out with foundation. You can go for a skin tint if you want. This look is all about matte and satin finish because dewy is cute and we don't want that for this look. Blend it with a brush or a beauty blender according to your choice. Now for the concealer, place it anywhere you need extra coverage under your eyes or any if you have any dark spot or pigmentation or any pimples whatever, place it there. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes before blending for better coverage. Time for the contour. Contour under your cheekbone and little down towards your chin area for a more chiseled look. Because if you have baby face or a round face, this kind of contour looks very good on your face. Blend it upward for more lifted look. I'm using 2 different shades. For this look, I don't want overly flushed cheek, so I'm using a little amount. Now it's time to set everything in place. A little powder under the eyes, in the T-zone or anywhere you need it for flawless look. Now it's time for the bronzer. A little bronzer to add warmth. Swipe it where the sun would naturally hit. Now it's time for the powder blush to emphasize a little bit more flushed cheek. Not too much, not too less. Now for the main event, the eyes. For this look, I'm going for a more soft smoky eyeliner. So grab a tape, stick it outer corner of your eyes. Now take any black eyeshadow, smudge it across your lash line lightly. Now use a dark grey shade and brush it on the liner that we created earlier for more diffused look. Now take a light brown shade and add it in the crease of your eyes for a little depth. Blend, blend, blend because blending is the key. Now for the final dagger to their heart, a little deep burgundy shade along your lower lash line. It adds a little sultry effect. Curl your lashes, add mascara, and our eyes are done. Now we are moving towards the lips. Now lip liner on the same shade. I'll mention the shade in the description. Check it out. Line your lips like you normally do. There's nothing special about it. I'm using this lipstick which is from I think Swiss Beauty and apply it in the center of your lips. Now it's time for the final touch, highlighter. Apply it on the inner corner of your eyes, on your eyebrow bones and the tip of your nose and nose bridge and your cheekbone where the light naturally hits. And there she is. If you love this look, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to stay effortlessly beautiful. Until next time, stay mysterious. Bye.